If you ever dreamed of making those famous Korean bakery garlic buns at home, this recipe is for you. These buns are incredibly soft, filled with cream cheese soaked in rich garlic butter and baked until perfectly golden. Every bite is buttery, garlicky, cheesy and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine bread flour, sugar, instant yeast and salt. Mix it very well. Add lukewarm milk and mix it well. Now add room temperature 1 egg. Mix everything until a rough dough forms. Now transfer the dough on a flat surface and knead for 5 minutes. Add softened butter and knead for about 5 to 8 minutes until the dough becomes smooth, soft and elastic. Keep the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until doubled in size. Once rising, gently deflate the dough and divide it into 6 equal portions. Shape each into a smooth ball and place them on a lined baking tray. Cover again and let them proof for about 40 to 50 minutes until puffy. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes until lightly golden. Let the buns cool completely before filling. While the buns cool, prepare the filling. In a bowl, combine softened cream cheese, icing sugar, vanilla extract, salt and lemon juice. Beat until smooth, creamy and then transfer it into a piping bag. In another bowl, whisk together melted butter, minced garlic, egg, milk, honey and condensed milk. Mix until everything is well combined. Using a sharp knife, cut each bun into 6 sections, making sure not to cut all the way through. Pipe the cream cheese filling into every slit. Next, dip each one generously into the garlic butter mixture, allowing it to seep into every cut. Place the buns back onto the baking tray and sprinkle with extra parsley and a little grated Parmesan cheese if you like. Bake again at 170 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes until the garlic butter is bubbling and the tops are beautifully golden. And that's it. Your bakery style Korean cream cheese garlic buns are ready. Soft, fluffy, cheesy, buttery and packed with garlic flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.